So dear viewers, today I am gonna show you the basic PLC trainer kit developed by National Infotech. In the part 1 we have already explained about the PLC panels and the pins and functions. Okay, and in the part 1 I have already explained about the one exercise which will digital input to digital output. Okay, now in the part 2 we will explain about the ADC, DAC and ADC to digital output pins. Okay, so our next exercise is external inputs we have used. Okay, external input we have connected here is the ADC pin. Okay, and the output of this ADC we will see on the digital outputs. Okay, so now we are click on the ADC exercise. So our exercise is here. Okay, so in this exercise we have used this analog input channel 1. Okay, so you can see here this is the an external analog input channel 1. Okay, AD1 channel is used here, and by using some divider values and everything you can here this is the code. Okay, this is some comparative value, and finally you can get the output from y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y0, y1, y2, y3, y4. Okay, so we have used the externally analog output. Okay, so 0 to 10 volt you have used here. So in this PLC, by for the precautions you can use only 0 to 10 volt as an analog input. So we have already given the 0 to 10 volt analog output. Okay, so you can use this analog value here. Okay, so first we have connected this analog. So positive is connected with the V. Okay, and negative is connected with the I Vi1 minus. Okay, so ground pin. Okay, so now analog inputs we have applied here, and output we will see on the digital output pins. Okay, so now dump the code first. So make sure your PLC is connected with the PC. Okay, then you can press OK. Okay, so some errors are there, so make sure your com is connected. Okay, now turn error is turn on. Okay, so you can turn on the PLC first. Okay, then connect the RS232 with the PC. Then you can just go to the communication setting and make sure it is COM3. Okay, then press OK, then dump the code again, like press OK. Yes, code is dumped now. Okay, then press yes. Okay, then click on the online mode. Okay, so whatever things you can observe in the PLC board, then you can observe in the software also. Okay, so here you can see when I am changing these analog values. Okay, those values are fed to the analog pins, and the output of the analog will see from here. Okay, so when I am changing this analog value according to the analog values and these equations, you can observe the outputs. Okay, so now I am changing the analog value. So you can see here the red K1, red in the red font K1, so it is the variable values. Okay, analog values. So when I am changing this port, then you can observe the values. Okay, so by changing these analog values, you can see if my comparator is proper working. Okay, equations are proper working, and this values are compared with this K2000, then the output is K2. Okay, so this K2 is compared with this K1, 1K2 and logic is done, and Y0 is turn off. Okay, so here you can also observe Y0 is turn off. Now vary this port again. Okay, so continuously varying this port, and you can observe on the PLC you can observe this LED will be continuously off by varying this port, and you can observe from here also. Okay, so this is the exercise code for this uh, analog input to the digital output. Okay, now move on to the second thing is analog input to the DAC output. Okay, so now first press the turn off offline. Okay, then close it, and this code is for the analog input to the DAC output. Okay, so we'll see. Okay, so this code is built for the analog input to the DAC output. Okay, analog input to DAC output. So here this code is built, but whatever value you have changed here, you can see in this software. Okay, so whatever value you have given here, you can observe here. Okay, so here the ADC 1 channel, ADC 0, okay, sorry, ADC 0 channel is used here. So you can connect this wire to ADC 1 channel. Okay, ADC 1 channel, and we have used this port. Okay, so first you have connect these ones. Okay, then now dump the code and see the output. Okay, so PC to PLC. Okay, yes, code is done. Okay, then okay, yes, then now online mode. Okay, so you can see here whatever value I have given here. Okay, I have given here, this will see in this here K 98 97 like that. Okay, when I am changing this value, you can see this is the output. Okay, DAC. Okay, this is the DAC pin. Okay, so whatever change I am applying here, the output is on deck, we can observe here. Okay, so you can see here continuously changing these values, and the output of the deck you can observe here. Okay, so this is the uh, third exercise of this PLC basic PLC trainers. Okay, so another exercise are there. Okay, so another exercise are there, you can use as per your requirement. Okay, so basically we have given the idea about this uh, digital input to digital output, how we can easily observe, and whatever analog value is there, what the output in on the digital outputs. Okay, and analog input and digital output we have seen. Okay, now in the next video we will see the communication. Okay, thank you.